What a find! Tucked away just off this Houston Lake Road, you will find this home quite a retreat but so convenient to everything. This home sits on a 0.75-acre lot and back up to a pond. All bedrooms are upstairs and there is a private sunroom off the master bedroom. There is a 16 by 28 two-story workshop west/roll-up door, gas heat and bathroom. Man cave over workshop above makes great spot for pool table. There is an above-ground pool that is brand new and hasn't even been used yet. Great landscaping. Call now.